Squad, it's me, Cece, and this video is going to be about how to make your own NomNoms sticker page. So what you're going to need is a NomNoms sticker book and also a Justice notebook. So how you're going to do this is you're going to open up to the first page or the last page, which is usually completely clear. So they're always empty, so you can just do your sticker page there, and whenever you open or close your book, you can always see them. So unfortunately, I filmed this video like a bunch of retakes and stuff, so I already ended up finishing this whole page when I realized that my video was over 15 minutes. So I unfortunately cannot show you guys how to make the NomNoms stickers, but I can show you guys what I did to make them. So I'll show this to you. So we have make your own stickers, melted ice cream, strawberry smoothies, pancakes, Freezy Pops, popcorn, diner food, and stickers that I own, and just ones that are really cute. So, and ones that look really good. So, for example, this one. Like, doesn't that just look like you could eat it? Like, that is so cute. Okay, so comment down below which one you guys like the best. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So just comment down below which ones you guys like the best. And I'll just show you guys what I did to make them. So this one is a make your own sticker. So it's under Fair Food. It's like a, what's it called? Cotton candy or candy floss, whatever you guys are used to saying. Then this one I just thought was super cute, so I put it in. This one, oh wait, these three, they are make your own stickers. They are Fair Food. This one is a big sticker on page, hold on, I gotta find it. It's like one of the first pages. Page 21. The big sticker on page 21. And I put a bunch of sprinkles all over it, because, you know, French toast and sprinkles definitely goes together. This one is in the Freezy Pops section. It is a make your own sticker. This one I just thought was super cute. It's like one of the first pages too. This one, this is a make your own sticker. These are the ones that I own. Just this one and this one. This sticker is, like, just got too close. So, and I just thought it was super cute, so I put it in. These are, like the same thing as this, except like a different kind of syrup. Maybe with syrup. Does this one have syrup? Oh, no, this one has whipped cream. This one has syrup. This one I just thought was super cute, so I put it in. These ones I thought were super cute, so I put them in. This one is, this one my sister just threw in, because, she likes to just touch my stuff. So, she put this one in, and this one is a smoothie, so I put it in. This one is a make your own sticker. It's like a bowl and a cotton candy. And this one's a cotton candy, and these are popcorns. So I would recommend starting on the first page and ending on the last page. You guys can fill up both pages, but I am not going to in this video because it is going to be too long. But I can do one example. So, I'll do a sushi. I think I'll do this one because it's really cute. This one, I'll just do that one. So you're going to take out your sticker and just put it on the page that you want. So I'm going to open up to the last page and put it up in the corner. Even though I do not like sushi at all. No. Blech. No. Sorry if any of you like sushi. I just do not. I had one experience with a sushi when I was little. Like, my mom brought it home one day. No. I did not like it at all. It was like super spicy. No. I don't like spicy stuff, and I don't usually like sour stuff. So, sushi just did not fit in my, little, wheel of flavors. So, I do not eat sushi from this day and hopefully forever. Also, as soon as I started this video, this broke off, so I'm going to try to find a way to glue it back on. Maybe it was like, I don't know how it was on, but I'll figure it out. This is sad, just sad. Oh, I think I know how I'm going to put it back on. So, before I end this video, I just want to say, bye CC Squad. Failed it. Bye CC Squad.